Hi, I'm Pam Roberts, team leader of the Gateway Group at Keller Williams. Welcome to San Antonio Homes Insider. Today we have something different for you. We're going to show you one of our listings in Dallas, Texas. That's right, we also serve the Dallas-Fort Worth area. Welcome to 1630 Loree Drive. This property is conveniently located near White Rock Lake as well as the Arboretum, and it's also a quick commute to downtown. Thanks for watching our video tour of 1630 Loree Drive in the Dallas area. If you'd like to see all of the photos and details, just click on the website link below and it will take you to the information. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, and thanks. Have a great day.